In this video, we'll cover the basics of the middle screen on Pick the Odds. Middles betting or middling uses the same basic concepts as arbitrage betting. We suggest that you start with the tutorials on arbitrage before this, as it covers most of the basics of what you're going to see and use on your screen. This tutorial is really just going to cover the additional layer that is middles betting. Middling uses the same principles as arbitrage. Placing a bet on one side of a wager at one book and placing a second bet on the other side at a different sports book. The difference with middles betting is that you're betting on spreads or over-under bets in a way that allows for the possibility of both bets to pay out instead of just one or the other. Let's look at this example to see how they work. This is a player prop for rushing yards by David Montgomery. The first bet is over 38.5, and the second bet is under 40.5. This means that if his rushing yards are 38 or less, our first bet loses and the second one wins. Or if his rushing yards are 41 or more, the first bet wins and the second loses. In either case, where only one bet hits, you end up with a very minor loss, as you can see in the ROI. Often, middles where only one side hits are very close to a break even. But if his rushing yards are at 39 or 40, both bets will hit because at 39 or 40 yards, he is both over 38.5 and under 40.5. The payout on both bets would be $400 for a profit of $200. If you were to place a number of similar bets, only a few of them would pay out both sides. But if done properly, the profit should outweigh all the other bets that come out equal or at a very small loss. Typically, the ROI of a middle is either very low, at zero, or is negative. If you were strictly middling, let's say you place 20 middles bets that only have one of them hit, that means both sides of them pay out. If the other 19 middles have a 0% ROI or even a slightly negative one, you could still come out way ahead. The one setting that is specific to your middles screen can be found in the ROI area of your middles filter menu. That setting is the distance. This sets at the minimum distance between your lower and upper values on your two bets. Right now, it's at 1, and so our Montgomery play appeared because there is two values for his yardage available to hit the middle, 39 and 40. But if the distance was set at 3, there would need to be a 3 potentially winning values here, so our play wouldn't show. So, using our example, if the distance was set at 3, it would have needed to be over 38.5, but under 41.5, leaving a distance of 3. Both bets could hit, whether his yardage was 39, 40, or 41. So that's how your middle screen works on Pick the Odds.